How to use patch tool in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So the patch tool is used to remove any uneven or any disturbing part of an image. So for example, if you want to remove this pen from the image, there are many tools to do it, but let's try this today with the patch tool. Go to the left to the tools panel, hold here or right click and choose the patch tool. It's usually under the spot healing brush tool. So as you can see, it's by default set to patch source from destination. You can choose the destination from source, but for now we want to use source from destination. So let's choose the imperfection that we want to remove here, which is the pen, and select it, and then click and drag. As you can see, it's removing the pen and blending the new layer, as you can see. But there are still some parts that include some imperfection, so we're gonna drag it more to the left or to the up, and yeah, there it is. Let's deselect this and click on this. That's it. As you can see, the pen is removed and the patch is blended inside the image. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.